taking fire, but we're back. Taking fire, but we're back. We were just knocked offline. This will be a part 2. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is going to go ahead and open up to another video. We just got hit with a soy EMP as I was responding to Edward Ryan about the specifics there of the Brave browser and the BAT token and some other browsers that will allow you to earn crypto, like a crypto browser. I'm going to check that out as well. Shout out to Queens Races, XPO, Dolphin 134. We got hit with a soy EMP here on the left flank as I was responding to Edward Ryan, a little bagel bomb. You guys know the deal. But I'm back, and it's okay. I'm good. We took some fire, but everybody's fine. Nobody's injured here. We have no men injured. We're reporting everything is clear out there, Queens. Everything's clear out there, Dolphin, XPO, and Edward, if you're tuning back in. Let's go ahead and continue to look at the markets. Yeah, what happened, says Beans and Rice. I don't know. I mean, it looks like we got hit with a soy EMP on the left flank while I was responding there to Edward and checking out the charts here. Ether at 220, up 3%. It's one of the only ones in the green right now, including Stellar. But out of the top 10, it's only Ether and Stellar. Ripple's down. Bitcoin Cash is down at 317. Litecoin at $76. I'm liking Litecoin at least over 75. EOS at 395. I was reading an article saying something about EOS. EOS tribes left, block producers or whatnot, and they were saying that the article was talking about how most of those block producers on EOS are located in China, and that if there's regulation, they could be cracked down upon. And that's one thing that kind of turned me off lately about these the EOS. It looks like it's becoming a little more centralized than one may expect. Anyhow, I still got a baggie though. Binance at $21, Stellar at 8 cents, Cardano at 5 cents, at Monero at 75, Tron at 1, Leo at 109, and Huobi at 408. So how about it, guys? As soon as everybody started saying altcoin season, it looks like those holding those altcoins took some profits, as you should, as you should. You see things kapump after, altcoins took such a beating this year. There's a famine out there, if you ask me. I told you guys yesterday, I didn't think this was alt season. Will Ether gain some weight? It's the only one next to Stellar, gaining more, continuing to gain weight. Shout out to Main Event. Kaboom. Shout out to you. But yeah, that's something to consider. Let's check out this article I came across, Understanding the ETH Rally. And this asked the question, is it alt season? And my answer, no. But this article did provide some information that I hadn't heard before, another idea. Understanding the ETH Rally, is this alt season? Derivatives have much more influence in the market. Markets in a state of flux. So they talk about Ether's price. It gets to the meat and potatoes a little bit lower here into the a little deeper into the article, excuse me. BitMEX ETH open interest, the number of outstanding derivatives contracts is up 100% over the past month. So let me repeat that. The number of these ETH derivatives contracts on BitMEX is up over 100% over the past months as measured in USD. It's increased by more than 66% in the past week alone. And then they ask about this short squeeze on Ether. So this is something to consider. A high level of open interest indicates more money flowing in, suggesting that the market is especially interested in the underlying assets. Since the increase in open interest coincided with the interruption of Ether's 2-month downtrend, today's surprise rally could be due to a short squeeze. A short squeeze occurs wherever short sellers are forced to liquidate their positions due to a sudden increase in the underlying asset's value. This usually happens when a heavily shorted assets experiences a turnaround. So, this is something to consider, a short squeeze. I'm not, I don't know if I can verify this or not, but, it's another idea that I came across floating out there. So it's something to consider. Let's look at this other article that I came across. Bitcoin investor says we'll never see 10K again after this next low, after the next cycle low. Bitcoin investor says we'll never see 10K again after next cycle low at a news BTC. And Bob Lucas Bitcoin, a prominent Bitcoin investor, trader, and an entrepreneur, tweeted, Bitcoin cycle low early October, so still a few weeks left. Post-October low, once reclaimed, I doubt we'll ever see 10K again, ever. I don't know. You know, it's a possibility. And you got Bagsy over there. I'm Bagsy on Twitter saying, me after reading, this is the last time you can buy Bitcoin under 10K for the 10th time. And this is a little meme that he shared after reading that tweet. Smells like FUD to me, says Main Event. And we should be back on. Was that another soy bomb, says Edward Ryan? Apparently. I'm not sure if you caught what I was saying, but I was sharing this article here. Bitcoin investor says we'll never see 10K after next cycle low. Before getting hit with a possible bagel bomb and soy EMP. It's all good, guys. We'll keep pushing it. My idea is also to be switch the screen. My idea is to record these live streams on my computer directly. So if they do get soy EMP'd or bagel bombed, I can re-upload them somewhere else or directly to the channel, so it won't be so choppy. Something I'm considering. Never go over 10K or under. It's not fun and it's not negative. So he says we'll never see 10K again, 10K again after next cycle low. So you can see, but we'll never see after the cycle low due early October. So still a few weeks left. Then post October low, once reclaimed, we doubt we'll ever see 10K again ever. And then that's the meme to the reaction. So this is a possibility. This gentleman thinks it's going to start booming after October, that it'll reach its low in October. And after that, it will start booming past 10K and hopefully towards all-time highs. So I think the sentiment is still strong. And let's look at the technicals, because I have several boomers letting me know that they like when I show these technicals. I know you guys get erections when you see the numbers or whatnot. So let me show you these Bitcoin US dollar technicals. For the day, they're all saying sell. So the price may go down again under $10,000 in the next 24 hours. And I said this yesterday after looking at these techs. And I'm not crazy about technicals, but I think technicals are a better measure of the market of what's going to happen in the short term. I don't think that in the mid to long term, people really don't know. But I would say that there is a strong possibility that we would dip under 10K again. So anything in and around 10K, in my opinion, is worth a stab at it. So you could see, as compared to a week on the technicals, most are saying buy and strong buy. And then you can go ahead and check it out on a month, and they're saying about the same thing. So it's still looking strong if you ask a boomer like myself. And let's look at these technicals for ETH, which is behaving quite the opposite. Technicals are strong for the 24-hour, but weak for the week and month technicals. Pull up the Ethereum techs. And you can see on the day, it's a strong buy. So ETH may continue to rise. And I like that it's going up against Bitcoin. So for my day traders that, only look at the math, this could be, a swing trade. And this could be the short squeeze, like they're saying here on Crypto Briefing. Or what was that outfit? Yeah, it was, Crypto Briefing. But going back to the text, but if you check it out on the 1 week, it's saying sell. And this is moving averages, oscillators, and pivots. And then the month is saying about the same. Although you got oscillators saying, some are saying buy. Shout out to Rafterman. He says, yo, champ, I see you, Rafterman. Stay booming out there. Queens just dropped me $2. Can't wait for this halvening to start pumping Bitcoin. Drop a bomb. Boom, Queens races. I saw you uploaded a video. I subbed to the channel, so I saw you uploaded a video with some Hondas. Some event that you went to, so shout out to you guys. Check out Queens' channel. Rafterman just dropped me 2 as well. Boom. Thank you to Queens and Rafterman showing love in the population of the chat box. All the fiat here goes to the young Boomette. She's here during the live broadcast checking out the charts. And we got to throw her a bid or three. Thank you again to Rafterman and Queens Races. But yeah, this is part 2 of the live broadcast after we got kicked off several times here, and I don't know why. I'm not going at the soy boys today. I mean, I'm not even hitting you guys that hard today, and they're still throttling the champ. Let's check out the Bitcoin charts. Take a few comments and questions before I go ahead and tune down the broadcast to spend time with the young Boomette. But like I said, anything between 9 and 12 is going to look all right, and I would expect the short-term gun here to possibly dip a little bit more with Bitcoin, like this technical says. So I agree with these technicals on TradingView today. For the 1 day, it looks like it could go lower, but for the week and the month, this thing, I agree with what that gentleman, that investor over there on Twitter said. It could be the last time we see 10K. You know, I would say, you know, after this year. I don't think we'll see 10K next year. I think next year, 2020, everything's going to be over 10K if you ask a boomer like me. DCA last night pulled the trigger on BTC. There you go. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's all around $10,000, dollars, whether it's at 10.1, 10.150, 99. I mean, it's all about the same. If it goes up to 15, 20, you're not going to really mind that $100 or $200 difference. Check out the links that I have down below for the Brave browser. I was explaining to Edward, right now, when you earn those BAT tokens, in order to cash them out to BTC, you have to send them to a publisher. Okay, you could verify yourself as a publisher on Twitter if you have a Twitter account. You could also do that with the YouTube, or you could wait and wait for the system to upgrade. Apparently, they're going to allow for you to send it outside of the browser. Sooner than later is my understanding. I'm also checking up on another browser that allows you to earn a Bitcoin directly to a private wallet. It's called something like the Crypto Tab or the Crypto Browser. Rafterman was the one that let me know. I started doing research on that one. I may check it out. I didn't download it. I still want to check it out. I want to make sure it's not spying on me, amongst other things. But anyway, my understanding is it's that it's mining Monero and then converting it to Bitcoin in the background. So it's something I want to check out. On that note, guys, I'm going to go ahead and land this plane. Check out the articles I have linked down below. I think that ETH will continue to rally today, but this rally is going to be not that long. I don't think it's going to be like a week rally. I don't think we're going to see things just kapumping to $300 or $400. Some were saying 500. I'm not sure about that just yet. I will expect Bitcoin to maintain around 10,000. Whether it goes up or down, it's just going to be a few $100. And let's see where we're at tomorrow and going into the weekend. Have a great day. To main event, Rafterman, Queens Races, and the rest of the boomers showing me love. I'll be back tomorrow with the good crypto word. Make sure you're tuning in and hitting all the buttons. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.